Well, he deserves a hanging. I think it's an open and a shut case for investigation. Investigation can be completed within few weeks, and the hanging can come within 6 months. It's possible because it's an open and a shut case. The child evidence, imagine, is the purest evidence, where the child saying, "Papa ne mama ko mara." And they'd been married for a couple of years. This must have been continuing exercise, and in between the newspaper report that she did go back to her parents. And then they came back because they said they probably settled it. Why are you settling? Why are you not informing the police that our daughter is going after a settlement? We want her security to be watched over. Then the police system would have watched over. The Crimes Against Women cell would have called her and called them and given a written commitment, and they would have been part of that commitment. So police would have stepped in and saved her life. So the police did. The police. There's no news about any report to the police. Imagine if a report had been made to the police and police had not acted, police would have been blown off by now. Blown off. Why did you not do it? Parents don't complain. Girls don't complain. The man keeps asking for it. Nobody complains. And where are the neighbors? And I believe they are from the rural areas. What about the gram panchayats? What about the sarpanches? What about the mehla sarpanches? What about the mehla panches? They're all there. Today, half of our villages are mehla sarpanches. Don't the women know when they meet each other कि यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Is it their duty to inform the police? Are we creating a society, cancerous society of cowards? Cowards. I think we are creating a society of beggars, and we're creating a society of cowards. Parents are cowards, girls are cowards who are being beaten, and of course these in-laws are beggars. So we're creating a society, Indian society, of beggars and cowards. Can't be worse than this.